Everyone, this is Dimple Pathak and Sweta Sanapati. We'll be presenting baby body lotion presented by Mama Art. So here we are. As the name suggests, Mamaearth brings the goodness of nature in the form of their product. Mamaearth was founded to help make skincare routine a little chic but with the utmost care by Gajal Allah and Morul Allah. The picture of them is there. Today founded Mamaearth in 2016. Firstly they come up with the baby care routines. First of them, their products are baby for the babies, and then now they are grown too much and they have added many products for the adults, for the parents, for the other section of the society as well. It is situated in the Gurgaon, India. It's in Mumbai. Mamaearth is an online platform that offers natural and toxin-free skincare products. As I already told you that it's always offered that skincare products which are toxin-free. Specifically for the babies, toxin-free products are very important because like parents are always concerned about the skin of the babies. So, through an innovative product line, Mamaearth has to try to solve a common Indian parenting problem. In a country where most of the baby products available do not meet safety regulation, Mamaearth offers products that are safe by international standards and loaded with the goodness of nature. Mamaearth is the first Asian brand with a certificate of MedSafe. So, Mamaearth, as its name suggests, is already safe and very toxic free and along with the goodness of nature. So, after that, that will be discussed by Sweta Sarapati. So, I will hand it over to her.
Now I'm going to discuss about the target audience of Mamaearth Baby Lotion. Mamaearth Baby Lotion directly targeted the mothers. It believes in mom power. Mamaearth products offers toxin-free skincare products with specific importance on babies. The ads of on Mamaearth Baby Lotion has tried to solve a common Indian parenting problem. In a country where most of the baby products available do not safely regulation meet safely regulation, Mamaearth products that are safe by international standards and are loaded with goodness. They are targeting mothers and parents who would not mind spending some extra money on toxin free products for their children's well-being. As young mothers are already their targeted group, but no longer term, they are looking at extending the lifetime value of their relationship by entering into the kid segment. Now I'm going to tell about the media and its reach to the target audience. Mamaearth is an online platform that offers natural and toxin-free skincare products with specific importance on babies. Mamaearth started as a small brand with premium position and wanted to reach out to the metro consumers, and so they chosen the digital medium to reach the target audience and communicate the brand story. As it is an online platform, they do not have a store right now, and they have given ads on YouTube, they have pages on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and attracted audience directly. Here, Shilpa Shetty Kundra is greatly involved in it, as she is a mother and adopted a baby girl child recently, and also she invested in it. Apart from using Shetty's digital presence to reach the target audience, the company also leverage social media through influence marketing. It already used influencers on social media who are the mothers themselves and work for over 500 mom bloggers. So here we can say media is perfectly fine. They are reaching their media in on time, and their social marketing is well to do. So far, they have been able to reach and engage with the target audience through the digital medium. Now I'm going to tell about the media and its reach to the target audience. Mamaearth is an online platform that offers natural and toxin-free skincare products with specific importance on babies. Mamaearth started as a small brand with premium position and wanted to reach out to the metro consumers, and so they chosen the digital medium to reach the target audience and communicate the brand story. As it is an online platform. They do not have a store right now, and they have given ads on YouTube. They have pages on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and attracted audience directly. Here Shilpa Shetty Kundra is greatly involved in it, as she is a mother and adopted a baby girl child recently, and also she invested in it. Apart from using Shetty's digital presence to reach the target audience, the company also leverage social media through influence marketing. It already used influencers on social media who are the mothers themselves and work for over 500 mom bloggers. So here we can say media is perfectly fine. They are reaching their media in on time, and their social marketing is well to do. So far, they have been able to reach and engage with the target audience through the digital medium. Now, the protagonists in the campaign. The mothers are the protagonists who are the involved influencers, and the celebrities and saw 1,000 plus moms who are participating in the campaign. That is also known as Mamaearth Mother's Day campaign. Mamaearth Mother's Day campaign received a great response from the mothers and the kids alike. Many celebrities are also involved in the Mamaearth campaign, like Shilpa Shetty Kundra, as a mother, shows how to ensure that no touch is hard, rush on toddler, and everything that touches to her baby is good. This campaigning is all about the mother's desire to want the touch to be good. Mother's Day being a highly relevant occasion for the brand, and the brief to the channel partner was to create a PP and happy tune that is relevant on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, along with the lyrics to salute the superhero moms. Mothers are at the center of all baby care products, and the mothers has always been a very Mother's Day has been always been a very special occasion for everyone. So they wanted to pay fun and refreshing tribute to the mothers. Lastly, I want to discuss about the feeling or emotion with Mamaearth. By the aid of Mamaearth baby lotion, firstly the objects feels happy, distress, joy, etc. The main feeling is mom power, which is a strong emotion. The feeling of happiness, joy, distress by becoming a parent is unimaginable. Becoming a mom is a feeling of pure love and emotion for her baby. Secondly, when it is said toxin free, which means chemical free product, which feels safe by emotion. They do not contain any toxin or ingredients that are harmful to the skin. Mamaearth is the only made safe certified toxin free brand in India, which is from all known toxins which are banned in most countries. So here I come to the end, and I hand over to Dimple Pathak to continue.
Page, I insert three pictures where you can see the taglines. No more buzz buzz, only matlab, sorry, that means that after that nourishment, after that a baby cream, the baby will be like harmed by any chemicals, they will softly sleep. And even though the children, then there is a, they have that package of body lotion. It's kind of a body lotion or a tummy roll, whatever you can say it. It's protect the mosquitoes, it's protect the baby from the mosquitoes, so they are using that. I add it all add this also. And there is like another picture where the maid is can be very visible. Your baby's care is in secure hand because Mamaearth is secure, it's toxin free, they like promoted that way. Then other picture, you can see that cute body lotions and a mother hugging her child. And where is the tagline is gentle nourishment that feels like a hug, which is very cute and very warmed, which have very warmth of mother, the love of the mother. So yeah. Title suggests creative radiation. I'm going to talk about how the brand Mama Art what kind of ad they are using, what kind of tagline they are using to promote their product, to promote their advertisement, and how to reach the target audiences. So the brand Mama Art portrays goodness of nature in their product. So they like make their product completely natural, completely ayurvedic. So their products are toxin free, their products are chemical free, so they have to use very innovative PR design, PR taglines for the campaign. PR innovative they have to use. So Mama Art use body lotion, the baby body lotion. The way they package the body lotion is a very different and a unique way. They use packaging like bottle kind of very cutely. They have like animated or the cartoons which like babies are like used to, oh, that's like for the babies. You can just tell them by seeing that, oh, this is for babies. So even though that's like using the package like that, and even though they are providing a carrier for the baby products, like they are providing a very cute bag for to carry the baby products, that they can stay there, like you can put the lotion in the bag, then it will not go like so that is very different, like it also have done by Johnson baby products, but Johnson is not Indian company as well. As so Mama Art is new and it's very good doing a well to do brand right now. So Mama Mart already had a very strong market employers, and their PR part is very strong. They know how to reach their audience. They know what is the weak points of their audience, how to target their audience. As as mentioned above, I think Sweta has already mentioned, the Mama Art is work for the that metropolitan cities parents. The parents are globally concerned, the parents know what's going on, so they literally targeted their audience to the millennial parents, how they like how to like make their baby safe. And now people are very concerned about the skin, and even with the global warming people are very concerned. Now chemicals are everywhere, so Mama Art very quietly attractive towards that. They using very soft, unique, warmly taglines, just like I wrote it here, like tender care for your baby bear, for promote lotion for to promote lotion for the babies, they use that. And cuddle a day keeps the dry skin away, warm nourishing hugs, the fairy godmother. The taglines itself sound very story like, poetry like, and it's very good to hear and very nice actually. So that kind of creativity they are using for their promotion of the ad, their promotion of the baby product. The impression of the baby taglines are directly to the moms, because moms are always very like like they're like both like father and mother both are very responsible for the babies. But still it's in the Indian society, moms are very like if the father goes to office, moms are there with the babies always, like they are, even they walk, they were very concerned for the babies. So they literally put that thing for the moms, which are like, oh, that's like that's kind of of emotions there. They're like warmth in that tagline, and how they present that advertisement. And their protagonist is Silpa Satrikunda. So Silpa Satrikunda recently adopted the baby girl. So how she is like saying that she wants her baby to be like full protected, her skin to be very soft and nourished. So it's attract the other moms also, because in the metropolitan cities Mumbai, Delhi, people are very concerned about health, skin, because there's lots of pollution. So it's really, they're attacking their target audience in a very good way. So I think the that way Mama Art is doing totally fine. Although they have competition from the other brands, because now Naika, Purple Beauty, Sugar Beauty, they have the other brands for the baby products like Johnson baby product, Himalaya baby product. Now Himalaya also started their baby product very recently. So they got the competition, a tough competition, because they are working on a red market, red ocean market. So but still they are giving their base to give at a creative ready. radiation to their brand, to their product. The sponsorship of Mama Earth sponsorship, how the ad is quite strong. The Mama Earth ads are quite strong. They have like thousand. They have recently produced an ad in the Mother's Day, as we mentioned it beforehand in the like three or four slide. They like thousands of moms are like acting, they're like not acting, they're like joining their campaign, and how their ads are very strong, like even if it's Silpa Citricunda, or they are also made a review on the Big Boss houses, their ads are very strong, they are quite informative, they are like very, how they portray the goodness of nature with their taglines. It's really, really effective, like quite effective. And Mama debuts in national television film on the November 2020, which is a great success. And after that, Mama is actually scoring a high power market strategy right now, and they are in like they are gaining half of the market for the baby products and other beauty products as well. So yeah, I think that's it. Arts ads actually give us the idea that Mama Arts baby body lotion is all toxin free. It provides a very good health and nourishment to your babies, and it is ayurvedic totally goodness with the goodness of nature. So far their ad is very strong, and it's fit for the market and also fit for the red ocean market strategy also. So the ad itself the target the mom world of the mouth. The ad is targeting the moms all over the India. Five like there are like 500 cities the moms are targeting, and Silpa Satri itself is doing very good with the ad, and they are directly attacking their target market base very well. And Mama Art showing that a solution to the parents who are globally connected, even albuming want to make the safest choice for their baby. I added two picture for the advertisement, how their ads are effective. There's like Shilpa Satrikunda, people know, Indian people know her, and as I told you, she recently adopted a baby girl, so it's quite effective on their campaign. How like she, of course, she is doing this advertisement means she has purchased the products. So yeah, that's it's like it's very cute. The packaging, and also that another one is the no rashes, no itching. And even though it's not that they approach many television actors who are like who are pregnant right now, or who are going to be mom and already mom, they also promoted this product in their various platform, Instagram, their personal Instagram and stuff like that. So the ads are quite informative and quite strong so far.